Hello friends, I'm Colonel Padmanabhan. Just to recall, the day 2 at the SSB will be exclusively of the psychological test. That is the thematic appreciation test, the word association test, the situation reaction test, and the self-description. I have already made videos on TAT and WAT. Today, I shall be talking on SRT and ST as to how a candidate should prepare for it. Let me remind you once again that ultimately all the three assessors, the GTO, the IO, and the psychologist, they will be looking for the 15 officers-like qualities throughout. So while practicing it, remember this fact in mind. Now SRT will be conducted 10 minutes after the word association test using the same booklet. It's about 30 minutes duration. The test will have 60 situations. You are asked to respond to different situations of day-to-day real life situation, and you will get 30 seconds for each situation to respond. Write the exact serial number before writing your reaction. It's a test of common sense, and the quality of response reveals one's personality traits. The qualities looking for by the psychologists are firstly your perception, your emotional response, and the potential to solve diverse situations through 60 responses. Your officers-like qualities can also be found out. In addition, your communication skill, your leadership qualities, your social behavior, your social adjustability, and all other dynamic qualities can be found out. Certain guidelines I can give you are firstly, resolve the situation using resources like the people, material, and time. Also, be a specific action taker and prioritize your actions. Use abbreviations and telegraphic language. Also, attempt minimum 50 situations out of 60. Make positive and meaningful sentences. In case of uncommon situation, your response should showcase your handling potential. If the situation is repeated, you may give a different reaction, but it should not contradict your earlier reaction. Remember, you have only 30 seconds for each situation. And this is all about situation reaction test. Now coming to the self-description. Now this is the last psychological test in the series. Again, the same booklet is used for answering. Here, your opinion is sought for about that is your parents, your teacher, your friends, and your own opinion. And finally, what do you want in life? You have to write one paragraph each for all the 5 aspects. You shall get a total of 15 minutes to answer. Remember, it's a psychological test wherein you project your qualities. Be honest and not too self-critical. Give a balanced view of your personality. Your insight and motivation is measured. Also, your officers-like qualities from the 3 previous tests. If you are truthful, the psychologist can confirm the level of your officers-like qualities. Certain important guidelines are each paragraph should have about 80 to 100 words. First 4 paras on parents, teachers, friends, and your own opinion should concentrate on your nature and your behavior. Give example of your responsibilities and participation on different occasions to validate your views. Mention your intellectual abilities, physical, sports abilities, friends, social involvement, areas you like to improve, your hobbies, etc. Let the last paragraph be about your goal today and how to achieve 5 years hence. All individuals will have good and bad points of your personality. So please do not hide it. Be honest and real. Don't fabricate. Ensure that you don't contradict on any point given to the board. Also, don't write strong negative points. So be truthful and faithful. Let the psychologist not overestimate or underestimate your personality. So this is all about the self-description. I wish you all success. Let me remind you, there is no shortcut to success. You got to burn midnight oil. Then you will be successful. So wishing you all the best. Please share and subscribe. Jai Hind.